Welcome back to Pente Spotlight, the show where AI and tech news get a reality check. I'm Emily, your data privacy, compliance, and security specialist, here to ask the uncomfortable but necessary questions.
And I'm Lucas, your AI-powered business transformation enthusiast, here to ask one simple question. Can we scale it, monetize it, and make it cooler?
Today's headline sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie. NASA technology is bringing a golden age of exploration, not just to space, but right back to Earth.
Which is NASA's way of saying, you're welcome for the comfy mattresses, better healthcare, and smarter buildings.
According to the report, tech designed for astronauts is now powering healthcare devices, disaster response tools, and even 3D printed housing.
My favorite part is construction tech meant for the moon now helping build affordable homes on Earth. Turns out rocket science really does solve everything.
True, but when smart systems start collecting environmental and operational data, privacy and security have to be part of the blueprint, not an afterthought.
Fair, but from a business angle, this means faster builds, lower costs, and safer work sites. That's innovation with an actual ROI.
And healthcare really shines here. NASA tech, originally built to monitor astronauts, is now helping detect heart issues earlier on Earth.
Saving lives and reducing hospital stays? That's the kind of disruption everyone agrees on.
Let's not forget everyday tech, scratch-resistant lenses, advanced imaging, memory foam. NASA quietly upgraded our daily lives.
Space agencies doing product development better than most startups. No pitch deck required.
The big takeaway is that responsible innovation works when ethics, security, and trust are built in from day one.
And when innovation travels from space labs to real people, real businesses, and real impact.
If you enjoyed this episode, hit like, share it with your fellow tech lovers, and subscribe to Pente Spotlight, because the future isn't just coming, it's already here, and sometimes it starts in space.